Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another TaxTron YouTube tutorial. So today we're going to see if the autofill return feature is an applicable option for the customer. So when you look at the third page of the identification section under identification, you'll see there's a paragraph here where it says autofill my return. Do you want to import your tax info? Check out the box, use autofill my return or select next to skip and you can enter your info yourself. Now, this will only be applicable if you have a CRA account, and which if you do, then you can click on yes, and then yes again for are you registered for a CRA My account? And once you've done that and you selected the appropriate CRA account, then you'll do the next steps from the CRA account, my CRA account, to get all the slips that you need, and that all of that will be downloaded and imported into this return.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.